You will see notifications and sounds. What's going on? Private chats, tap to change. If you press on the tab to change, notifications for private chat, it is enabled. If you want, you can press in here and disable it, turn it off, turn it on. I told you the base of the notifications on the previous video, so I'm not going to be explaining it again. Show messages preview, light, color, vibrate. You can press on here and choose another vibrate, or press on only silent. This is the things can you do. Sound, it is default. If you press, you can upload the sound and it will be your sound of the private messages notification. Private chat, groups, channels, calls, vibrate, it is default. You can change the vibrate, you can change the ringtone of the Telegram calls, you can change the badge counter, you can enable or disable. Show badge icon, you can enable, you can disable it. Count unread messages, it will be enabled. For example, if you go to the Telegram, okay, this is my Telegram, you will see 1 on the Telegram, or on my share it, even it is available on the share it, 5 unread or 1 unread. This is the count. Let me go back to my Telegram. In-app notifications, for example, you are on another app, you will see the Telegram notifications, you can hear them, your phone is going to be vibrate and these kind of things. Events, contact, join the Telegram, it will be tell you. Pinned messages, it will be tell to you that, for example, you are in a group and the admin of that group pinned these messages, so you will find out that these messages is pinned messages, and if you want, you can read it. Other, keep live service, relaunch app when shut down, enable for reliable notifications. What's going on? It says, for example, when your phone is going to be shut down, after you turn that on, you will see the notifications that you have had on the time that your phone is shut down. Background connection, okay, it is going to show you the notifications on the background. When, for example, your phone is like, you can press unlock and watch the clock and you will see the notifications of the Telegram. Repeat notifications, okay, after 1 hour this notification, it will be repeated. If you want to set a custom time, you can press on it and, for example, set it on 5 minutes, 10, 4 hours, 2 hours, 30 minutes, you can choose it. Reset all notifications. If you do mistake, for example, I do this kind of things, okay, I don't know what is going on, so in here I press reset, and then again I press on the reset, my notifications, it will be reset to the default. This is everything about the notifications.